Are you tired of generic advice that you feel is not working for you? In my new book, Digital Marketing Simplified, I share real life examples of how you can get started with a digital marketing plan in just 4 days. If you've ever felt overwhelmed in digital marketing, you're not alone. I remember when I first started, I had a passion, but I did not have a clear path. Does it sound familiar? Here's the problem. Most people give advice and they make it harder than it needs to be. That's why I wrote Digital Marketing Simplified. It's your shortcut to starting your business online the right way. Inside, I share what digital marketing actually is, because people get it wrong, and also how to turn your ideas into digital products. I talk about how to launch courses that people actually want. I talk about how to create and build marketing systems that do all the heavy lifting for you. I teach you how to start the right way so you can see results faster. Then I also teach how to apply the framework that I teach. It's called the BYOE, Pathway to Profits framework, and you can apply this to any niche, any hobby, any passion, and turn it into an online business. Inside, I also talk about how you can build long-term systems for sales and leads. And with all the advice out there, digital marketing can be overwhelming. It can feel like that. And this is the only digital marketing book that you will ever need. And the best part is that it's completely free. Imagine having a clear path from someone who's already walked where you're trying to go. Imagine having a clear pathway to turn your passions into profits. Imagine if you could learn these strategies to have a full 30-day plan in just 4 days. And to make sure you succeed, I'm going to mentor and guide you step by step. If you're ready to stop being frustrated and start building your online business with confidence, click the link to get your free copy. Now, I've written 3 other business books, but this one is a combination of everything that I've learned over the past 9 years that I've been doing digital marketing. And I'm very excited to share it with you.